This is ALCATEL 1B 2022, and today I'll show how you can fix the incoming phone call receptivity issues on this device. So if you are experiencing problems with getting incoming phone calls, I recommend that you start with rebooting your phone. So hold the side power button for 3 seconds or so, for a few seconds, and here tap at the restart option. What you might also want to try is to go into settings, then SIM card and mobile network, SIM card settings. Select the SIM card you're having issues with in particular, then tap on it here, and at the mobile network settings page, try switching off all phone call enhancement features, which there are 2 of them, VoLTE and Wi-Fi calling. So switch both those options off and see if that will resolve your issue or not. What you might also want to do, even though it might be apparent, but still, try checking if your system is in the airplane mode, since if it is, let me switch it on for demonstrative purposes. So if the airplane mode is switched on, which you can tell by this airplane indicator at your status bar, by the way, you will not be able to receive any incoming phone calls to begin with, so it's crucial and essential for you to make sure that the airplane mode or flight mode feature is deactivated. So as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.